Hey everyone and welcome. So we built this project with prompt. Today we are going to dive into how to build a project brain for Claude. It's a really simple technique that will make your AI Copilot dramatically smarter and way more aware of your specific code base. So let's start with a problem I'm sure you've all run into. You have this brilliant AI assistant, right? But it's kind of like a new hire on their first day. It has no idea about your project's unique architecture, its coding patterns, or which files are the really critical ones. I mean, you can't just paste your entire code base into every single prompt, right? Well, the solution is surprisingly simple. It's a single file called claude.md. You can literally think of this as a persistent second brain for your project. This is the one file Claude checks out before every single request, giving it the essential context it needs to be a truly effective teammate right from the get-go. So how do you actually create this project brain? Do you need to sit down and write some massive document from scratch? Nope, absolutely not. The best part is Claude does the heavy lifting for you. It all kicks off with just one simple command right from your project directory. So you run the /init command, and what happens? Well, Claude goes to work. It scans your entire code base. It's looking at the purpose, the architecture, the coding patterns. Then it automatically generates this foundational claude.md files, summarizing everything it just learned. It's basically creating a cheat sheet for your project, and the AI is the one writing it. This whole system, it actually understands a hierarchy of instructions. This gives you and your team some incredible flexibility in how you manage project contacts and lay down specific rules. So this slide kind of breaks down that classic three-tiered setup. At the project level, you've got your main claude.md file, which gets shared with the whole team. Then there's a global file for rules you want to apply to all of your projects. And then you have this personal level, the claude.local.md for your own little preferences. But, and this is important, that method is now deprecated. You know how it is. Technology moves fast, and yeah, there's now a much better and way more powerful way to handle all those personal settings and overrides. So yeah, the old claude.local.md file, it's out. The new recommended way to do this is with imports inside the main claude.md. Here is one I have created for an example. When you have multiple branches of the same project open at once, the old local file system just couldn't handle that scenario very plainly. All you do is create a personal instructions file totally outside your project. You could stick it in your home directory, for example. Then you just add a single line to the main shared claude.md file to import it. It's clean, simple, and really powerful. Since that imported file is personal to you, a teammate who pulls the project isn't going to have it. Claude just silently skips that missing import and moves on. First, always start with init to get a solid baseline. Second, keep your instructions short and sweet. Think bullet points, not essays. Third, and this is a big one, put your most important rules right at the very top. Alright? Now for the don'ts. This is just as important. First off, please don't just dump your entire API docs in there. That's just noise. Also, avoid vague instructions like be smart, be specific. Try to keep the file focused. When you boil it all down, it just makes your AI assistant cheaper, faster, and a whole lot smarter. And that really brings us to a final. Before we wrap up, here are 2 quick tips to make your workflow with Claude much smoother. Tip 1. Use compact. If your conversation is getting long, but Claude has already learned a lot about your project, use compact. It summarizes everything while keeping the important context so you can continue without losing momentum. Tip 2. Use clear. If you're starting something completely new and don't want any old context to interfere, just use clear. It resets everything and gives you a fresh start. These two simple commands can save you time and make your interactions much more effective. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.